With this carpet cleaning system, you have chosen a complete cleaning solution for commercial carpet. This system is certified by the Carpet and Rug Institute and is used worldwide in over 50 countries. In the following presentation, we will show you how to use the machine, as well as describe the two different cleaning methods shown. Starting with the transport trolley, attach the front stand and insert the rear axle into the holes on the backside. Then attach the large wheels on both ends of the rear axle. Assemble the four parts of the handle together and secure them with the push buttons. Attach the handle onto the machine and lock into place. Mount the dust covers on the front and back side of the machine. It is now ready for use. To start the machine, push the foot switch first and then pull the handle towards you. For larger areas, we recommend the tandem machine option. Simply remove the handles of two machines, connect them with the tandem bar, and then attach one handle on top of the tandem bar. The first machine supplies power to the second machine. You simply plug one machine into the power outlet of the other. Prior to any cleaning procedure, we recommend dry soil removal first, as it represents around 80% of the total soil content. This can be accomplished with our Renovator attachments. This step also lifts the pile and prepares the carpet for optimum cleaning results. For interim cleaning, general maintenance, and spot removal, simply mount the dust covers onto the front and rear of the machine. Apply the liquid encapsulation cleaner onto the carpet and brush in all directions. Encapsulation technology enables this liquid to clean the carpet fibers and trap the soil into small flaky crystals that are easily vacuumed away. For deep cleaning, the liquid encapsulation cleaner is used in combination with the cleaning compound. First, apply the liquid cleaner, then spread the cleaning compound and brush in with the machine in all directions. The compound dissolves and traps greasy, oily dirt spots and odors as it is brushed into the carpet. You will notice that the compound changes color as it absorbs the dissolved soil. The last step is to remove the used compound with the Renovator attachments. The brushing action of the machine lifts and throws the compound into the Renovator collector bins. Once full, they can be emptied into trash receptacles. The compound is biodegradable and can even be tossed into a compost pile. Once this step is complete, the carpet is completely dry, deep cleaned, and ready for use. To clean the machine, first unplug the power cable. Tilt the machine onto one side and remove the axles and brushes. With the small hand brush supplied, remove all debris from the machine and place in trash bin.